This video is about how to use Master Solutions. It's a technique that can help you get rid of problems and suffering quickly. It works by using your subconscious mind, which is like a powerful helper in your brain. The technique can help you feel better in just a few seconds, but you need to use it regularly for long-term results. One part of the technique is called clap. It's very simple and fast. It can remove bad feelings from memories or thoughts you have. It doesn't go very deep, but it's good for quick fixes. If you want to use it, just think about a bad memory and start the clap processor. It should help you feel better in a few minutes. If you apply this to the processing of the past, it will look like this. Make the list of episodes that are bothering you. Take the first charged episode on the list, mark it with your attention, just think about it. You don't have to dive into it, and start a clap processor on it and the episode will discharge faster, often within seconds. Let's say we're working with the episode "Teacher Insulted Me in 7th grade class." First, you direct your attention to the episode in order to label it for processing. Then you say, out loud or to yourself, "Teacher insulted, clap. Teacher insulted, clap. Teacher insulted, clap. Teacher insulted, clap. Teacher insulted, clap." Repeat this until you smile. If the smiling doesn't come on the 10th time, leave the episode alone. And go to the next one once again. The subconscious will accept this episode for processing anyway. After a lap, in half an hour or an hour, go back to the episode and see if there is still a charge there. The charge will either be significantly weakened or disappear, making the episode boring. If the charge is weakened but is still there, go back to the episode the next day and watch it again. In the vast majority of cases, there will no longer be any charge there. If the charge hasn't diminished at all, then you're clinging to something, not wanting to let go. It's a completely stupid thing to cling to crap, not wanting to let go of it. And if you persist in this way, use processor, execute it. If the charge has diminished, but after a few days is still in the episode, you are also clinging, but perhaps to a lesser degree. This is where manually working through the resistance according to the following scheme can help. Write down all resistance on a piece of paper, write out everything you feel about the episode and its processing. You might get a list like this. I don't want to forgive them. They're bastards. They hurt me. I can't let it go. I hate them all. I'll never let it go. This technique is bullshit. It doesn't work. It's all nonsense. I can't handle it. I'm hopeless and nothing will help me anyway. After working through all the episodes that relate to any particular person, you should also treat this person with clap. For example, teacher, clap. Teacher, clap. Teacher, clap. Up to 10 times. But here's the thing. Just because you remove the negative charge from an episode or person doesn't mean you'll automatically feel better about it. For example, if a girl left you for someone else, you may have worked through all the episodes with her using clap and hoppo, but still feel upset when you think about her choosing someone else. That's because you created those negative feelings for yourself after the incident. So, you need to work through those feelings separately using clap or execute it. Clap is a universal technique that can be used for anything, not just past episodes. You can use it to work through somatics or emotional states too. Just remember that clap doesn't dig deep, so for more complex issues, you may need to use execute it. Subscribe to my channel to know more about the power of subconsciousness.